Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to my Robinhood challenge. If you're new, my name is Charlie and I'm using options contract to grow my account up until 65% or more by the end of the year. And I'm using some of that profit to buy random fun things for you guys to see, for me to unbox and to review. And today's video, I'm going to go and do a little step-by-step on how I do vertical call spreads, also known as credit spreads. And just to show you guys, I know you've been asking, some of you guys have been asking through messages to do a little bit of a step-by-step. It won't be in too much detail, but hopefully it helps you guys do vertical call spreads if you're interested in the future. Again, I got another free stock from James through the referral programs that Robinhood provides. So big shout out to James. Thank you so much for using my referral link. It is in the description below if you guys want to sign up for Robinhood. We both do get free stocks. I do appreciate the support. And let's go down towards Amazon. This is going to be real quick. I'm going to try to show you a live trade, how I do this. Go to trade. Now that trade option button should be there. If it's not, you just got to go to settings and enable that. Once you enable your options, there's going to be another setting in there you have to enable called the option spread. Once you enable that, a little select button will come out. That way you could do option spreads, and I'll talk about that here shortly. Go to trade options. You got all these wonderful dates up there. These are usually Fridays. These are all when the contract expires. You can pick, anywhere from a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks to, even years out. Look at that right there, January 17th of 2020. But for me, I'm going to go about a month out, July 26th. Now, again, I'm going to do a vertical call spread. So I want to first select call, and it's already on there. And then go to select sell, and then now it's sell and call. That's how you want to place it when you do a vertical call spread first. And that little select button on the top right that I talked about will open up all these little boxes. If you have a Droid, if you have an iPhone, I believe they're a circle. And this will let you do a 2 option spread, or in this case, a call spread, a credit spread, vertical call credit spread. And I am going to go with maybe, let's go to about a 2090, okay? So what that means is share price for Amazon right now is at 1912. As long as that doesn't hit 2090 by July 26th on that date when the market closes, I'll be able to collect my full premium. Obviously, you don't have to wait till July 26th. If you're comfortable with the premium that you've already collected, you could always close out early, and that's one way of mitigating your risk management. So I sell a call at 2090. If you just do it straight this way, which is called a short call, also known as a cover call, so you have to have about 100 shares if you do one contract. 100 shares is one contract, and able to do this. I don't have 100 shares of Amazon. That's almost $190,000 you have to buy 100 shares right now. So what you do is you buy a call on top of that. That's going to be your insurance. That's covering you since you don't have 100 shares. So you click on buy. Now it goes from sell to call. Now you do buy to call, and you buy a call on top of the 2090. So I want to do a 2100. So 2100, 2090, the difference is $10. So 10 times 100, because there's one contract, that's all I'm going to do. So your collateral for this trade is $1,000. That will be your max loss. If this trade goes bad, obviously you want to close out early. That way you don't have to take a max loss. It could be $100 loss, maybe a $200 loss. It's better than $1,000 loss. Now, as far as the premium, how you figure that out is, again, just the difference from 518 to 445. That will be the difference, and that difference will be your premium. As you can see, once I clicked on the 2090 sell call and the 2100 buy call, it turns into a call credit spread. You click on that. The difference between those two was 75 cents. So 75 cents is my premium that I would collect. If you want to collect more, you could definitely play around with the limit price if you want more. As Amazon goes up, the limit price might go up and you might get executed throughout the day. Who knows? This is good till end of the day expiration. So I'm going to do one contract. So it looks like maybe Amazon share price is going down. That's why my premium is also going down, because it's going away from the strike price. As it gets closer to the strike price, the premium will be higher. And in this case, I think 75 is a decent amount of premium. I'll leave it at that. Click. Again, I'm getting credited. I'm getting paid to do this for $75. My collateral is $1,000. And I'm going to swipe up. If it goes through, great. If it doesn't, it'll be 0 of 1. And well, sometimes this happens. I see how it says canceled. Robinhood doesn't like to do half changes, meaning like pennies. So this is 72 and 50 cents, 50 pennies. So that's why I got canceled. So I got to do this over again. They only like straight 73, 74, 75. They don't like these 50 cents. So if that happens, you just have to go back and do it again. And so call it a glitch if you want. It's just not something that Robinhood offers. So that is one drawback. You can't do 10 cents, 20 cents. Okay, so let's go back. You guys could follow along with me. Just think of it as a rerun. That way you guys could go. So I'm selling a call. Click on that select button, 2090, and then I'm gonna buy a call on top of that for protection. So I'm gonna go buy call. Just give it a few seconds for Robinhood to catch up. The app is slow. Sometimes it doesn't recognize you're trying to do a vertical call spread. It might show you as double short calls. Then your premium price will be different. So we're gonna do that. And at the bottom it says 2 option order. This should turn into, just like before, call credit spread. There you go. Once that's set, that means you're good to go. 75 cents is still the premium they're offering. Let's go to continue. I want 1. Check 75. Let's swipe up before it goes to those half cents again. There we go. So 0 of 1. Amazon call credit spread order place for $75 credit. It's not gone through. I'm going to leave it till the end of the market closes. If it goes through, I'll get a little notification. If not, it will automatically just cancel the order and we'll start again tomorrow. So that's how I do a vertical call spread. See right there, pending orders. It's placed. Currently it's 1910. I think once Amazon hits maybe back towards 1912, 1913, this should get executed because the premium price will be a little bit higher and it will go through. Hopefully that was informational, helpful for you guys. If any of you guys were thinking about doing option spreads, again, I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your due diligence and research before you do these things. Options are very risky, but once you get to know how to do it, it's very rewarding as well. As you can see, I've opened this account on March 1st, so about 4 months in, I've already made about a 20% return off of the $4,000. I will open up this free stock that's waiting there that James used for my referral link this Friday, so stay tuned for that. One little info as well. There is a new IPO called Truey that's out. Go take a look at that. I might do some more information video on that maybe next time on Friday. And then one last thing before I go, whenever you guys do, a little hint, little tip if you want to call it, whenever you guys place options and the date that you pick, be very careful if there's any news that come out prior to those dates. And what I mean by is I picked July 26th. But do you guys know what happened on July 25th? That is earnings call for Amazon. And you know what could happen on earnings call? It could either shoot up or shoot down. So be very careful and know what date you're placing, because little things like that helps a lot when you pick your dates. Obviously, none of us know which trend the market will go. No one could predict that. But little news like that could definitely help you decide where you want to place a trade. Also, if you guys didn't know, another little information for Amazon and Microsoft has a $10 billion cloud contract that they're fighting for Pentagon. And I believe they're the last 2 remaining finalists, and they will announce the winner, I believe, next month. $10 billion is a lot of money that either Amazon or Microsoft will be getting. One of those 2 shares will be going up for sure. So I'm going to end it on that note. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. If you loved it, please smash that like button. If you guys want to see future videos, subscribe. I would love for you guys to continue to watch my videos. Hopefully it could be helpful. Again, I'll be doing a lot of unboxing reviews coming up once I get the videos out. Thank you so much again. I'll see you guys next time.